So, gusto mong maging magaling sa computer science? Hindi lang sa ML, hindi lang sa JavaScript, copy-paste, at lalong hindi lang para makapasa sa thesis nyo.
Which part of this is fun?
These are 3 books that will make you smarter, stronger, and slightly less confused when your code throws a segfault at 2 a.m. Book 1, The Pragmatic Programmer. This book is like your uncle who actually knows what he's doing. The Pragmatic Programmer teaches you how to think like a real dev. It covers things like clean code, hindi yung tinimplang spaghetti code, debugging techniques na hindi lang i-restart mo lang yung PC mo, and how not to make your future self hate you. So, an example lesson is rubber duck debugging. Yep, literal nakausap mo yung rubber duck mo para ma-solve yung bug. Kasi minsan kailangan mo lang nakausap kahit plastic. Book 2, Introduction to Algorithms or CLRS. Ito na, the big one, the Thanos of computer science books, Introduction to Algorithms, aka CLRS. This book will teach you sorting, searching, graphs, recursion, aka mind-bending magic, and problems so hard they make your calculus final look like a TikTok dance. Book 3, Computer Systems, A Programmer's Perspective, CSApp. Kung di mo alam kung ano nangyayari sa loob ng computer mo, this is the book. Dito mo malalaman kung paano gumagana ang memory, stack and heap, assembly, pointers, aka dahilan na maraming kabataan kung bakit napaiyak sa computer science. If you want to do cybersecurity, systems programming, or just flex in your classmates na alam mo yung memory leak na yan, this book is gold. So yan, 3 books na hindi lang pang photo op sa desk mo. So like, comment, subscribe, but thanks for watching, and now go read something.